When the goal is comfort and sustainability, the journey is never the easiest, but it is always the right one. This commitment is the foundation of Crescenzia Wellness, built with the right intent. Some industries are easy to enter, but this wasn't one of them. This was a space dominated by international manufacturers, where precision mattered and trust was non-negotiable. For years, medical-grade silicone menstrual wellness products in India were largely imported, expensive, and rigid. This is where Crescenzia chose to step in, believing this capability could and should be built right here in India. But convincing end users wasn't easy.
Once the initial phase of hesitation is over, there is no turning back. And honestly, this product does not need any advertisement at all. It's spread with word of mouth only. It's a very organic spread. It's a very slow revolution, but it's happening. And very soon, many women will move to cups.
Menstrual cups became the foundation, a product where material safety and biocompatibility cannot be compromised. Crescenzia invested in the highest grade medical silicone, rigorous testing, and global compliance standards to manufacture menstrual cups in India.
The product undergoes various tests both at the raw material level as well as the finished product level, being handed over to the third-party NABL certified laboratories who does tests with respect to the ISO 10993 processes like cytotoxicity test, skin irritation, and vaginal sensitization test.
Recognition did not come from marketing. It came from adoption and trust in Crescenzia's products. Today, Crescenzia has become one of the largest suppliers of menstrual cups. More than 45 brands rely on Crescenzia as their OEM manufacturing partner.
We give end-to-end solutions. You just give us an order, we will make the complete box pack for you and give it to you with your name, your price point. Yeah, these are all the brands which we have made it for most of the brands across country. Across country, we are supplying large pharma companies, pharma retail companies, government agencies. Across all segments, we are able to supply, including NGOs and CSR programs.
This is supported by in-house tooling, design, and packaging capabilities, ensuring tailored solutions. Building on this foundation, the company is expanding into other medical-grade silicone products and components, including medical pessaries and precision components for healthcare devices, areas once dependent almost entirely on imports. By manufacturing these critical medical-grade silicone products right here in India, Crescenzia is strengthening the country's healthcare manufacturing ecosystem. Crescenzia Wellness, medical-grade silicone manufacturing, built in India.